खरेंच काँग्रेसीक आपा वांगडा युती जाय काय असो प्रश्न अरविंद केजरीवाल हाणें उपरासला. आपण युती करपा खातीर समिती लेगीत स्थापन केला. ही समिती सगळ्या पक्षा वांगडा युती विशीं चर्चा करतली अशें केजरीवालान सांगलें. तशेंच काँग्रेसीन आपाचेर खर टिका केल्या. ज्या पक्षा वांगडा आपाची युती जातली त्याच पक्षाक लोकांनी मतदान करचें अशें आवाहन केजरीवालान केलां. जाल्यार भाजप हो बिगर डेव्हिल आनी काँग्रेस स्मॉलर डेव्हिल अशें विधान आमदार वेंझीन केलें. ह्या बिगर डेव्हिलाक हारोवपा खातीर स्मॉलर डेव्हिल वांगडा काम करपाची गरज आसा अशें वेंझीचें म्हणणें.
Vote for Congress, so it's clear that you are not into for alliance in Goa.
वो चाहते हैं क्या? आप हमारा करा दो उनसे.
They have formulated an alliance committee. Even you all have formulated.
We have formulated their work with them. Let's see.
Yeah, but your statements like this will not do. Don't you think it will affect your further?
As if their statements are very nice and very healthy statements. और वो जब मैं गाली देते हैं बैठ के.
So आप अलायंस के लिए इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है सीधा?
नहीं, मैंने कब कहा? हमारे वाल्मीकि, जर्सन एंड प्रशांत, इन लोगों की कमिटी है. They talk to all the right-minded parties.
But state leadership is saying that it's decision by the central committee.
आज G20 की बात करते हैं ना यार.
Sir, you should
आपने G20 के ऊपर
but-
चुनाव का वोट का बोला, तो इसलिए आपके जो गोवा के लीडर हैं वो तो बोल रहे हैं कि अलायंस चाहिए, अलायंस के लिए हम रेडी है. आप बोल रहे हैं कि आप
E20
कांग्रेस
का
को
alliance
वोट
से
दो.
क्या लेना देना? मैं E20 की बात
No,
कर
but
रहा हूँ.
he said
that- yes.
कांग्रेस को वोट नहीं देना चाहिए, बीजेपी तो किसको देना चाहिए?
आम आदमी पार्टी को देना चाहिए.
लेकिन वो
आम आदमी पार्टी जिस भी अलायंस में होगा उसको देना चाहिए.
The Congress has defected several times. That is the truth. Congress आज लोकांक त्रासांक आयला. That is the truth. आज BJP is a bigger devil. BJP जो तो हारयता जाल्यार हे स्मॉलर devil काँग्रेसा हाती घेवन मुखार वचपाक गरज आसा. And that is what we want to do. But we are not. You cannot discard the facts.
Wenzi, तू
You cannot keep every time saying we have stayed here for 4.5 years. We have not jumped to the BJP. Why? To build up the party credibility. Every time Goans cannot look at us this way. We are here. We are here with a long-term vision. We are here with a vision to provide what you desire. Congress did not do that in the past. Although they did not do that in the past, we are ready to hold their hands. Why? To defeat the BJP. But saying that Congress's sins, Congress's mischiefs, Congress's behavior towards Goans, what they have done in the past, cannot be discarded. That is still there. That is still there. They have made policies to make sure that race smuggles is been happening what is happening today. Now we all together have to come and make sure to correct their mistakes as well as BJP's mistakes. Message is very clear. We want an alliance. We want an alliance with the good, bad, ugly, everybody to defeat the BJP.